Hello and welcome back to my last video of my holiday nails. So I'm showing you a preview of my day 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is day 5 coming up. Now this is the fastest, quickest sort of design I've ever created. And the whole video in itself is about 2 minutes and a bit long, so it's quite fast. Unfortunately, I would give you the best description I can about this product. It is absolutely amazing. This glitter powder is to die for, but I cannot remember where I bought it from. I bought it a couple of years ago and I haven't used it all that much. But yeah, very simple and fast design, to say the least. You've just added your white, and then before curing it you just add those sparkly little powders in, and that is it. Now, as you can see around, because of my pigments from the other nails, I had some yellowish orangey on the sides, on the edges of my nails, but I was okay with that. And then I had a look around and I thought, should I have it matte or should I go with shine top coat? So I decided to go with shine, and this is the final result, guys. As I said, very quick and simple design. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see how I've created my thumbnail, then check out my day 1 of my holiday nails, as this is the final result with a top coat. I hope you guys have enjoyed my 5-day videos, and if you haven't, let me know in the description box below and I'll do one full video where it contains all my 5 nails. Right, bye guys, thanks for watching.